In this video, I'm going to give you an answer for a question about shoes, Adidas shoes. And here is a question about it. Which manufacturing technology used in the creation of the Adidas Futurecraft 4D? Which manufacturing technology used in the creation of the Adidas Futurecraft 4D? Now we'll give you the answer for the question, and the answer for the question is 3D printing. And here is a bit of information about 3D printing. 3D printing or additive manufacturing is the construction of three-dimensional object from a CAD model or digital 3D model. So the answer for the question is 3D printing. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video very useful, you can help this channel to grow by subscribing to the channel. Click the subscribe button and like this video. And if you want to share it with your friend, just go ahead, click the share button, and you can share it to any social media that you wish. And if you want to comment in this video, just go ahead, find comment section and comment, say whatever you want in it. I think that's all of it. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you again in another video. Bye bye.